Hello, children. How are you? I'm sure you all are fine. Students, today I'm going to explain you a poem from your book Honeysuckle, and the name of the poem is Vocation. Okay, and this poem, students, it's written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, first of all, we'll get to know the meaning of this word vocation. That what do we mean by vocation, right? So, so students, vocation, it means the occupation, right? जो earning के लिए आप occupation करते हो, work करते हैं लोग, okay? That feeling, that thing is vocation. और इफ़ यू विश टू डू समथिंग, आपकी इच्छा है कि कुछ आपको करना है, राइट? सो इफ़ यू विश टू डू समथिंग, दैट इज़ वोकेशन. So, on the way to school or market, you see many people at work. Yes? Okay, whenever you go to your school, you see number of people working here and there. Okay? In pairs, we have to discuss, like we'll be discussing and we'll be reading the poem that how this narrator, this boy, okay, do you know the here Rabindranath Tagore is the only narrator, right? ये उन्होंने ही लिखी है poem and he is telling it about himself. Okay, that means here I is Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, it's his story, right? Okay, so let's see the story. Let's see the poem, students. That what it says. When the gong sounds in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, every day I meet the hawker crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles." There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road, crying bangles, crystal bangles. So, students, here the poet is saying that when in the morning gong sounds 10, gong here means that bell. When it's 10 in the morning and I walk to school, और जब मैं school जाता हूँ, by our lane, by our street, every day I meet the hawker. Hawker means vendor. Okay, now hawker, you must have seen number of people coming to your streets selling something like vegetables or any other object, right? Those are hawkers. So the poet is saying that whenever I go to school in the morning at 10, okay, and I walk by our street, every day I meet a hawker. Okay, मुझे एक hawker दिखता है and that hawker is crying bangles, crystal bangles. That means that hawker is selling bangles. I hope you all know what are bangles. Crystal bangles means those bangles जो चूड़ियाँ होती हैं, right? That person is selling bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on. That means ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि उन्हें जल्दी जाना है. There is no restriction. Hurry means to be quick. There is no road he must take and it's not specific that he has to go on that road only. ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं है कि उसको उसी road पे जाना है और he has to go on that particular street. Okay, no place he must go to. Okay, it's not like he has to go to that house to sell it. No, he can go anywhere. No time when he must come home and there is no specific time he must come back to his home. That means he can do anything that he wants. He can go anywhere. He can go in any street to sell the bangles, right? And he can go back to his home at any time, right? So the poet wishes, I wish I were a hawker. Wish means वो चाहते हैं, वो ऐसी आशा करते हैं. I wish I were a hawker, कि मैं भी एक hawker होता, spending my day in the road. ओके, आई वुड हैव स्पेंड, अगर मैं हॉकर होता तो मैं पूरे दिन रोड पे रहता एंड आई वुड बी रोमिंग हेयर एंड देयर क्राइंग बैंगल्स, क्रिस्टल बैंगल्स. क्राइंग हेयर मीन्स लाइक स्पीकिंग लाउडली. आपने देखा होगा whenever a vegetable one comes or any vendor comes, that person speaks so loudly so that बाकी जो घर में हैं they can just hear out and they can just come out to see what he is selling. Okay. So basically here the poet wishes. Poet क्या wish करते हैं कि I wish I were a hawker, कि मैं भी एक hawker होता so that I could go to any place, any time, like a hawker, and I could roam here and there on the road, okay, and I could go back to my place at any time. ऐसा कोई restriction नहीं होता that I have to reach my home by 4 o'clock or any restriction. Like hawker, they can sell it, they can sell bangles and they can get back to their home at any time. ऐसा कोई restriction नहीं होता है, right? So he wishes that he was a vendor or hawker, okay. Okay, because the child, right, the child has to go back to home early on time, and he has to go to school on fixed time, he has to return, but it is not with hawker के साथ ऐसा नहीं है. That's why child wants to live a free life like a hawker. Got it? Okay, so he wanted freedom. Child को क्या चाहिए थी? Freedom. Okay, and that's why he wanted to be a hawker, right? Okay, let's see what all he sees on this street. Now, in the noon, when at 4 in the noon, in the afternoon, I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task. If he gets baked in the sun or get wet, I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Okay, so now in the afternoon, when this child returns back to his home from the school, he can see through the gate. गेट में से उन्हें दिख रहा है, एक घर के गेट में से उन्हें दिख रहा है the gardener who's digging the ground. Who's a gardener? Gardener is the one who take care of these plants and digs the ground, right? माली जिसे हम बोलते हैं. Okay, it's just digs the ground. Dig means खोदना. Okay, he's digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade, and the gardener can do whatever he likes to do with his spade. Now, what's a spade? Spade is a sharp tool. Spade क्या होता है? It's a sharp tool which is used for digging. Okay, you can see in the picture in the middle one, and even in it, just see in all the 3 pictures there is a spade. The person is holding, this gardener is holding a spade. एक sharp tool होता है. Okay, it's like digging के लिए, जो खोदने के लिए काम आता है tool. Okay, so the kid says that he can do whatever with his spade, like he can dig anyway. He can soil his clothes. That means he can have soil on his clothes. Okay, and no one will say anything to him. कोई भी उनसे कुछ नहीं कहेगा. Okay, nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or get wet. That means no one will tell him anything or scold him if he get baked in the sun. अगर वो sun में ज़्यादा देर रहते हैं तो then also no one will say anything to that gardener. Okay, but if he compares himself, ऐसा वो नहीं कर सकते as a kid. Okay, because he cannot soil his clothes. वो अपने clothes को dirty नहीं कर सकते. Okay, he cannot use the spade. Okay, that's why he wishes that he could be a what? Yeah, he wishes that if I were a gardener. Digging the ground. Okay, digging. If I were a gardener, I would have dug the ground. Digging the ground and soiling my clothes and no one scolding me. Okay, fine. So he wanted freedom just like a gardener. जैसे gardener के पास freedom होती है. Gardener can use his spade in any way. He can soil his clothes. He can get in the sun for long time and no one scolds him. कोई भी उनको डांटता नहीं है. Okay, that's why the kid wanted to be a gardener so that he can also use spade. He can also soil his clothes and he could be free. Okay. That's why he wanted to be a gardener. Okay, that's why he wishes that I wish I could be a gardener. Now night comes and the child's mother sent him to the bed. Now just see. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. Okay, now it's now it's evening, late, like it's night. Okay, and child's mother, जो child के mother है, वो उनको कहाँ send कर देते हैं? Bed पे. Right, now the child is going to sleep. That means now the poet is going to sleep. So he says that I can see through my open window. उन्हें दिख रहा है अपनी open window से that watchman क्या कर रहा है? He's just walking up and down. आपने देखा होगा night में कौन take care करता है? Watchman. So from his window, through his window, he can see watchmen walking here and there and taking care of all the houses. The lane, that street is dark and lonely. There is no one around. It's night, it's dark and lonely. Lonely means there's no one there. And street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. Can you see in this image a street lamp? Okay, there is a street lamp which is having a bulb, a light at its head, and it looks like a giant. That means कुछ बड़ा, बहुत बहुत बड़ा सा कुछ, which is having a red eye on its top. And what is that red eye? Red eye is that bulb that provides light. So now the child has seen a watchman walking up and down lonely on that street, right? The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. So now the kid says that watchman जो होते हैं, right, he is swinging, right, he swings his lantern. Now what is lantern? It's like a portable lamp. आपको पता है lamp क्या होता है? Which is having light and you can just carry it anywhere. आप कहीं भी उसको लेके जा सकते हो. Okay, so now it is swinging. Swinging means, what is to swing? Swing means move कर रहा है. Okay, आपने देखा भी होगा during night the watchmen just swing. They are having that lamp. उनके हाथ में lamp होता है and they just move it here and there because they have to walk for the whole night, and he just walks with his shadow at his side and he never once goes to bed in his life. Because वो क्यों रात में नहीं सोते हैं? Because he has to take care of all the houses during the night, right? That's why he doesn't go to bed. So now the child wishes, I wish काश मैं एक watchman होता. Okay, walking the street during all night. जैसे कि एक watchman during night walk करता है, वैसे ही मैं भी walk करता. Okay, chasing the shadows. Okay, chasing means running after the shadows with my lantern. जैसे वो walk कर रहा है और उसकी shadow है, same way I would also have chased my, और परेशान like पीछे पीछे चलना. Okay, मैं भी अपनी shadow को chase करता with a lantern, that lamp in my hand. Okay, ये उनकी wish थी because you know he wanted to roam around during night, जैसे कि एक watchman roam करता है. Got it? So here the poet says that the lane is lonely and dark and street lamp कैसे खड़ा है? With one red eye in its head. Okay, and watchman swings his lantern. He never goes to bed. And the child wishes, क्या wish कर रहा है child? That he were a watchman walking the streets all night chasing the shadows. Okay, he wishes that he were a watchman. Okay, he were a watchman walking during the night. पूरी night वो वहाँ पे घूमते with a lantern in his hand. Okay, so this is the wish of the poet, that is that kid. So students, basically ये जो kid है ना, that kid wants freedom. Okay, freedom चाहिए उसको. Freedom means when you can do anything and you don't have any restriction. आपको कोई rules नहीं होते. Like एक hawker, कभी भी वो घर पे जा सकते हैं, कोई भी street में जा सकते हैं. Like a gardener, वो कितना भी soil में खेल सकते हैं, कितना भी soil में अपने clothes को dirty कर सकते हैं, dig कर सकते हैं. Okay, like a watchman जो कि whole night वहाँ पे घूम सकते हैं. But that kid cannot. वो किड नहीं घूम सकता ना रात में. That's why he wanted to be all these professions, or he wanted to be in all these professions. He wanted to be a hawker, a gardener and a watchman so that he can live freely, जो जैसे उनको freedom मिले. Okay, that's why वो ऐसा wish कर रहे हैं. Okay students, so this is our poem Vocation. I hope you all have understood. Read the poem carefully. Okay, I'll see you all in your next class. Till then, just contact me for your queries. Take care.